Blackbird has the hiccups. It's Harry's first day of school. He hopes to meet lots of new friends.
Hey, guys.
What's wrong with you?
Oh, I have the hiccups. And they won't go away.
Feeling sad, Harry the hiccuping blackbird goes to recess. And he sits alone. And he cries. Dan the donkey heard about Harry's hiccups and decided to come talk to him.
Hey, Harry. I heard about your hiccups. Why are you crying?
The other students picked on me and don't want to be my friends.
Don't let them make you feel bad. Hiccups are normal and okay. And the best part is, they'll go away.
Thanks. What's your name?
I'm Dan.
Now they're going to class. Now that Harry felt better, he went back to class. But Dan isn't in Harry's class, so he'll have to face Fox and Chicken all along.
Hey.
You still have those hiccups?
Yeah, but they will go away soon.
Those hiccups aren't false. You can't be arguing with those hiccups.
So once again, Harry doesn't make new friends because of his hiccups. The school bell rings, and Dan finds him all alone again.
Why are you over here all alone, Harry?
I still can't make friends because of these hiccups.
Come on, I'll go with you this time. Hey, Dan. Why are you with Harry the hiccuper? There's nothing wrong with having hiccups. Well, I don't have hiccups. Why does he? Everyone gets hiccups. He's different. That's okay. Fox wears a funny hat. You don't think of him. It's okay to be different.
You're right, Dan. I'm sorry, Harry. I picked on you. We be friends now.
Yeah, me too. Friends, Harry?
Well, sure, guys. Dan, thank you for helping me stand up to them. You're a great friend.
You're welcome, Harry. You're a good friend too.